Hi, I'm Captain Amanda Ramirez, a medical officer with the Rhode Island National Guard. This is a 3-part video that will demonstrate the process to sign up for a COVID-19 vaccination at one of the 2 state-operated sites, the Dunkin' Donut Center in downtown Providence or the Sockanosset site in Cranston, Rhode Island. So to begin the process to sign up for your COVID-19 vaccination, you'll open up your browser of choice and type in www.vaccinateri.org. This will bring you to the home page where you'll scroll down and click Find a Clinic. Depending on your preference, you can enter your zip code, or if you need to go by a specific time frame, you can search by date. You'll select your date or zip code and hit search, which will generate options at either the Sockanosset Cranston site or the Dunkin' Donut Center. And here you can see that there is 1 available appointment at the Sockanosset pod. So now that we've found an appointment date, I'm going to walk you through the process to sign up for a COVID-19 vaccination. There are 7 simple steps, and this is the first page that'll be step 1. Currently, Rhode Island is in phase 1, which means you need to be 65 or older to be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccination. If you fall into that category, you'll hit agree and move on to step 2. At this point, it'll be asking for your personal information, which you'll complete. At the bottom half of this form, it'll ask for your email address and your phone number. It is required that you have a phone number, but it is not required that you have an email address. Step 3 asks for your health insurance. The vaccine is being provided at no cost by the government, so if you do not have insurance, there is a drop-down option for you to select that. Otherwise, you would input whether you have private insurance, Medicaid, or Medicare. Step 4 asks a variety of health questions. Please ensure that you read each question carefully to ensure that you are, in fact, eligible to receive your COVID-19 vaccination. Step 5 is you consenting to receive your COVID-19 vaccination. You'll select the vaccine that's available, followed by either signing or typing your full name. It will confirm today's date, your relationship to the patient, which will be self, followed by your first and last name. Step 6 is reviewing all of your information. This is your opportunity to make sure that your name, date of birth, address, and contact information is correct. It'll also ensure that you've answered each of the health questions correctly. You scroll all the way down and you are comfortable with your answers, you'll hit save and continue to proceed to your appointment time. Step 7 is where you select your appointment. You'll see that they're in 5-minute intervals. You'll scroll down to the next available appointment that is most convenient for you. Once you've selected your appointment, you'll scroll down and hit save and continue. You'll then receive your confirmation. At this point, you'll have a date and a time for your COVID vaccine appointment. You can arrive no earlier than 30 minutes prior to your selected appointment time. Now I'll walk you through the process of receiving your COVID-19 vaccination at the Dunkin' Donut Center in downtown Providence and the Sockanosset site in Cranston, Rhode Island. I'm here in the North Garage at the Dunkin' Donut Center in downtown Providence. You'll arrive at ground level and you'll have ambassadors who will guide you across the way to the entrance where you will check in for your appointment to receive your vaccine. Let's go. When you arrive at the ground level, we'll have ambassadors who will guide you across the street to bring you to the entrance of the Dunkin' Donut Center. In the event that you have any mobility issues or concerns with getting to the entrance, we will have golf carts available that can bring you to the front entrance. Come on with me. So we're here at the front entrance of the Dunkin' Donut Center. We have a ramp if you have any mobility issues to get to the front doors. Otherwise, we've got stairs. So we're gonna head up there and check in for our appointment. Prior to checking in for your COVID-19 vaccine appointment, you'll go through a screening process where they will ask you for any signs or symptoms of COVID-19. Once you've cleared through the screening process, we will begin in queue and register at the front. In the event that there are any discrepancies, such as misspelling of your name, we have ambassadors available here at the resolution desk who will be able to correct that prior to checking in for your appointment. We're now here at the registration desk where they will confirm your appointment. They will be asking for a government-issued ID, and you will proceed to the vaccination lanes. Once you've completed your registration check-in, you will be escorted to a lane where you'll be assisted to an RN where you'll sit down, verify your information, and be administered your COVID-19 vaccination. Here you will have an opportunity to sit one-on-one with a registered nurse who will again verify your information and administer your COVID-19 vaccine, and then you will proceed to the observation area. So let's head over there now. Now we're here at the observation area where you will check in. You will either sit with us for 15 or 30 minutes depending on your medical history. On your way to the observation area, you will be handed a piece of paper which will give you a QR code or a website to sign up for your second dose of COVID-19 vaccine. So let's head over there now. While you're sitting in the observation area, we have clocks available to let you know when it's time for you to check out. In the event that you need assistance from anyone, we have ambassadors and volunteers who will help you with signing up for your COVID-19 vaccine. Once you've completed your time of observation, you'll head to the checkout station. Prior to checking out, you'll be given some information on VSafe. VSafe is a voluntary CDC website where you can document any signs or symptoms or concerns that you have following the administration of your COVID-19 vaccine. Here we are at the checkout station. At this point, they will verify that you've completed your allotted time of observation. We'll verify that you've signed up for your second dose appointment, and that if you should need any assistance getting back to your vehicle, we have ambassadors or volunteers who can assist you with getting back to your car. So let's head outside. We're here at the exit of the Dunkin' Donuts Center. Here you'll be able to be picked up by any family member should you have been dropped off for your COVID-19 vaccine. Otherwise, you can walk down here to your left around the convention center to get back to your vehicle. Should you have any issues with mobilities, we have ambassadors here available with golf carts who can bring you back to your car. Welcome to the Sockanosset vaccination site. I'm going to walk you through the process here for checking in for your COVID-19 vaccination. So come on with me. Once you enter the vaccination site, you will be screened for any signs or symptoms of COVID-19, and then you'll proceed to the check-in area to verify your appointment time. So let's go. Here we're now at the waiting queue where you will verify your appointment time and move on to the vaccination station. So let's go. In the event that you have any issues with mobility, we have service members who are available to provide wheelchairs to escort you through the whole entire process. This is the appointment verification desk. Once your name and date of birth has been verified, you'll move on to the administration of your COVID-19 vaccine. This is the final step prior to receiving your COVID-19 vaccine. They will verify your information and ensure that the correct lot number is placed into PrepMod, and then you will proceed to see a medic who will administer your vaccine. This is where you will meet with a medic who will administer your vaccine. Once you've received your COVID-19 vaccine, you will be guided to the observation area where you will sit for either 15 or 30 minutes depending on your medical history. Once you arrive at your seat, you will see that there is an appointment sheet where you can use your smartphone to scan the QR code or copy down a website to schedule your second dose appointment. As you can see here, at every seat we have a link and a QR code where you can scan to sign up for your second dose appointment. Once you've completed your 15 or 30 minutes of observation, we'll proceed to the checkout area. So let's head over there now. This is the checkout station where they will confirm your information and verify that everything has been inputted correctly. They will also ensure that you've had an opportunity to sign up for your second dose appointment. And once that's been completed, you will be escorted out to the parking lot where you can go to your vehicle. Again, in the event that you have any mobility issues, we have service members available with wheelchairs to assist you with getting you back to your car. Thank you for taking your time to learn how to get your COVID-19 vaccine in the state of Rhode Island. We look forward to seeing you soon.